Welcome to Data Doctor's video, Suggestion 843, Missing Template, Spelling. This is rated Advanced. Advanced rating means you must know what templates are and how they are used in Wikitree, as well as having advanced Wikitree skills to work on templates. This requires multiple steps, research, and combines more than one intermediate function to resolve. Examples are given timestamps, so you can fast forward to any of your choosing. Templates are always noted by double curly brackets and are used for research note boxes, stickers, project boxes, formatting templates, and external links. Here is a list of templates which are automated. You can search for them by name. This is the URL for that site, and a list by category with its URL. Suggestion 843 is caused by a spelling error in the template name. The template could have been deleted from Wikitree. The template never existed, or the template has not been defined properly. There are a variety of errors possible, so only the most common are discussed here. For any profile, you can check the Wikitree Plus suggestion section on the bottom of the edit screen, which shows what is causing the problem on the profile. Example 1. The triple curly bracket. Here is Nancy Bowen's profile page. Under the Sources section, notice a curly bracket showing just before an Ancestry link. That visible wiki code needs removed. On the Edit page, scroll down to Wikitree Plus Suggestions. This shows all items that need attention. For this profile, there is only one, the missing template, spelling. It illustrates what is generating the error, the extra curly bracket. Scroll up to the editing box and find the template. Delete one of the first 3 curly brackets. If you are using the enhanced editor, as in this example, notice how the correct template is highlighted in yellow. Below the editing box, click on Preview to check your work. The curly bracket is no longer there. Click out of the preview to return to the edit screen. Under Save Changes, fill in the Change Explanation field. Several standard explanations are listed, but a reason specific to this error is needed. First, if you are a badged data doctor, it is required that you identify yourself as such. Next, list the error number and name. Third, explain what was done. Scroll down to the Wikitree Plus Suggestion section and check that the error is fixed. Save the changes. The last screen is Nancy's profile page, showing that the changes were saved. And you're done. Example 2. The pipe is missing after the template name. Philip Drake's profile page shows in red Template Unsourced England. The red font indicates an error. As we did in Example 1, on the Edit page, scroll down to Wikitree Plus Suggestions. It lists 2 errors, Missing Template System and Missing Template Spelling. errors 891 and 843 are basically the same, only found differently by the search engine. So, correcting the spelling error also corrects the system error. To find the correct template, from the Automated Template Index, click the sortable icon next to Name. Scroll down to Unsourced and click on that. The next screen shows what a correct template should be. It gives several examples and shows that there should be a pipe between Unsourced and the place name. Return to Drake's profile. In the Edit box, find the template at the top. Add the pipe between Unsourced and England. The template is now highlighted in yellow, showing it is active. Below the Edit box, click the Preview button. The Unsourced box is now visible. Click out of the preview and go to the Errors field, checking Fixed on both errors. Next, as before, describe your changes. Save your work. Philip Drake's profile now has the correct Unsourced warning in place. Example 3. Curly brackets are erroneously used instead of straight brackets. Here is Dewey Vernon Giles' profile. In the biography section, you can see visible wiki code of 2 WikiTree ID numbers next to names, with a single straight bracket between ID and name, all surrounded by curly brackets. The syntax for linking to other WikiTree profiles always uses a pipe between the WikiTree ID and the name, all surrounded by double straight brackets. On the Edit page, scroll to the WikiTree Plus suggestions to see what needs corrected. In this case, it shows missing template spelling for both names. In the Edit box, find the names and make corrections for both links, changing curly brackets to straight brackets and the single bracket to a pipe. Notice that the letters have changed to green, indicating a live link. Click on Preview. The links are correct. On the Edit screen, explain your changes. On the WikiTree Plus suggestions, click Fixed for both errors. Save your work. Dewey's profile page confirms that the changes are saved. Example 4. There is a URL in curly brackets. On Mahala Jackson's profile, in the Sources section, the red text indicates a problem with a URL link. They begin with HTTP or HTTPS. In this case, it can be seen on the Edit screen that a URL was placed inside double curly brackets instead of single straight brackets. Since this one is within a reference, it should show as a source number. Below the Edit page, the WikiTree Plus suggestions shows 2 errors: missing template system and missing template spelling. As in Example 2, correcting the spelling error also corrects the system error. On the Edit page, replace the double curly brackets with single straight brackets. Go to Preview. The source number now shows in green, indicating a live link. Return to the Edit page. Explain your changes. Click Fixed on both errors. Save your work. Example 5. there is a typo in the template name. Here is David King's profile. Notice in the Sources section the red text, which indicates an error with the Find a Grave source. On the WikiTree Plus suggestions, check to see what issues this profile has. As we've seen before, there are two missing templates, spelling and system. As we did in example 2, go to the Automated Template Index and click the sortable icon next to name. Scroll down to Find a Grave, all one word, and click on that. The next screen shows the correct syntax for that template. As a reminder, this template is only part of the Find a Grave source citation and replaces Find a Grave Memorial ID within it. See the Find a Grave help page for more information. Return to King's profile. Correct the template by making Find a Grave all one word, adding a pipe in front of the number, and removing the word Memorial. As before, the corrected template is highlighted in yellow. From the preview screen, the template shows in green, indicating a live link. Back on the edit screen, explain your changes. Check Fixed on the WikiTree Plus suggestions errors. Save your work. As before, the Changes Saved box shows on David's profile. And you're done. Questions? Ask in the WikiTree G2G forum using the Data Doctors tag, or in the Data Doctors Google group, or see the Data Doctors project page for this suggestion number.